How to use Evernote for project planning. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Evernote to plan and manage your projects efficiently. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Start by creating a new notebook in Evernote and name it after your project. This keeps all your project-related notes in one place for easy access. Create a main note that outlines your project overview, including goals, timelines, and team responsibilities. Break your project into smaller tasks and create separate notes for each phase or task. Use bullet points or checklists to track progress. Attach important files, images, or links directly to the relevant notes so everything stays organized in one workspace. Use Evernote's tags to categorize your notes, like urgent, in progress, or completed, which makes it easier to search and sort later. And don't forget to set reminders for deadlines so you never miss a key milestone. That's how you can plan and manage your projects effectively using Evernote. Keep your notes clear, structured, and synced across your devices. Thanks for watching. That's all for the video.